Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nurul Adilla bin Aziz. I'm a fourth year student of BMFG. For this semester, I'm taking a final year project 1, which is my supervisor is Dr. Nurul binti Muhammad Yusuf. And my title of this project is a study on system dynamic approach in Malaysian automotive industry for remanufacturing model application. Basically, our project is focused on automotive industry in Malaysia. As we know, the automotive industry in Malaysia plays a significant role in transforming Malaysia into an industrial nation. Each product have his life cycle. There are four life cycle stages, which is introduction, growth, maturity, decline. As we know that disposal of end-of-life vehicle will create the hazardous wastes and toxic emission. Remanufacturing. What is remanufacturing? It is to return a used product to at least its original performance. The new product will be launched into a market while conserving the natural resources and maximize the consumption of material and will minimize the waste. The figure 2 show the remanufacturing process example, which is start with beginning of tear downs. Then the component will be disassembled. Next, after the remanufacturing process is done, it will assemble back and the remanufacturing process will be complete. Next is problem statement. There are three problem statements, which is the remanufacturing will be considered as a new strategy to overcome the environmental sustainability problem, especially for the automotive industry. As we know, in Malaysia, the automotive industry still follow the global legislation, namely European Union Directive towards ELV, which is reuse, recycle, and reduce. The ELV vehicle will be contribute to the hazardous waste and toxic emission. It has been said by Vladimir Simic in 2013. The figure 3 show the ELV recycling system, which is there are six uh, six stages of recycling system of ELV. In this project, there are three objectives, which is to study on the system dynamic approach in Malaysian automotive industry for remanufacturing model application. Second is to identify the effectiveness of remanufacturing system in Malaysian automotive industries. And third is to develop a theoretical framework to apply in racing software for modeling simulation. For this project, we have made a literature review for uh, three focus on three main points, which is the automotive industry in Malaysia, the system dynamic, and the remanufacturing. The production of vehicles has shown a large increase every year. It has been classified by the Club 2015. The figure 4 shows the production of vehicles from the May 2019 until the May 2020. In 2019, it has shown that the production of uh, vehicle is very high, but in 2020, the production of vehicle is low. It is due to a pandemic situation, which is the COVID-19 disease. If not, I'm very sure that the production of vehicle in 2020 will be higher than 2019. In Malaysia, the automotive manufacturer is still prefer to use the new part in their product, even though it was possible to replace the worn and damaged part with recoverable component. It has been said by Emilia in 2019. And for Implementing the ELB recovery program in Malaysia, there are many challenges that need to be tackled. It has been said by Muhammad Ali in 2008. Next is system dynamic. System dynamic can be implemented through the identification of problem, development of dynamic hypotheses, building a computer simulation model, and testing of the model. Ford have classified that system dynamic is the combination of stocks and flows using a computer structure that's to be simulated. Figure 5 shows the example of system dynamic software, a simple example of system dynamic software, which is using the Benzene software. Next is remanufacturing. Remanufacturing is a form of product or end of life strategies, which is often called as 6R. What is 6R? 6R is recover, redesign, remanufacturing, reuse, recycle, reduce. There are six. Remanufacturing is one of them. Remanufacturing is the process of bringing an end-of-life product back to good as new. It has been said by Shanshan Yang in 2018. Figure 6 shows the example of remanufacturing of system model, which is after the end-of-life product. Uh, with the end-of-life product, it will send to supplier and it will start the remanufacturing operation, and after the remanufacturing operation is done, it will commercialize back and it will uh, sold to the client with the same product, but it's called as remanufactured product. Next is figure 7 show the terminology related to manufacturing, which is repair, remanufacturing, refurbish, overhaul, or reconditioning. But the club in 2015 has said that remanufacturing can be a core even though it is not termed as shown in this table. Next is methodology. For this project, uh, this is a flowchart for FYP1 and this is the flowchart for the FYP2. In FYP1, uh, I will done until the methodology process. This is to show the flow process of this FYP. And for the planning flow process for FYP2, uh, I will make analysis and research, and after that, I will suggest a theoretical framework to be applied in the Benzene software to make a modeling simulation. Basically, this research is based on the remanufacturing, the system dynamic, the ELV, the product life of cycle, and some case study that have been made before. Research on the case study. Second, we make a research on remanufacturing company in Malaysia. As example, the Aimi Hassan has made a case study in motor technology and industry, which is called as MTI in Rawang. The figure 10 show the MTI remanufacturing process until the assemble and testing commission. What is the product? The product that has been remanufactured by the MTI company is a marine generator. This is the figure 11 has shown the example of remanufacturing product that have been done by MTI company, which is the marine generator, and the problem of this marine generator is defect on the craft, on the crankshaft. This is the step of the how to remanufacturing the product. There are 9 steps, which is start with the physical inspection until the final inspection, and it is example to the engine. The last methodology is theoretical framework, which is after the analysis has been done in based on methodology 1 and methodology 2, uh, we will suggest the theoretical framework to be applied in the vaccine software. Why we need to use the vaccine software? Because the vaccine software is more flexible than most in the appearance of the model diagram. And basically in our project we study on a journal and article or research with the theory. With this what I get as only the facts and the theory. I don't have data or experiment to be complete. So that's why the vaccine software is the most suitable software for this project. At the right side shows the example of simple modeling by using the vaccine software. This is example at the end of the vaccine software. That's all from me. Thank you.